Unlock the future of learning. How interactive panels are revolutionizing smart classrooms.
The landscape of education is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Today's students are digital natives, accustomed to rich, interactive experiences from a young age. As educators and administrators, the challenge and opportunity lies in adapting our learning environments to meet these changing needs and prepare students for a future that demands dynamic engagement and collaboration. While traditional blackboards and even basic whiteboards have served us for decades, they simply can't keep pace with the demands of 21st century learning. This is where the interactive panel steps in, emerging as the cornerstone of every truly smart classroom. It's not just a technological upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we teach, learn, and interact. What is an interactive panel? An interactive panel is a large touchscreen display, much like a giant tablet, that allows teachers and students to interact with digital content in real time. It combines the functions of a whiteboard, computer, projector, and multimedia system, all in one. Whether it's displaying a 3D model of the solar synthesis, solving math problems interactively, or annotating a historical map, interactive panels make learning engaging, visual, and collaborative. Beyond the chalkboard. The limitations of the past. Think about it. The traditional classroom often involves passive learning. Teachers write, students copy. Engagement can be limited, and the mess of chalk dust or the smudges of dry erase markers are constant companions. Projectors, while a step forward, often come with their own set of challenges: dim images, constant bulb replacements, and a lack of direct interactivity. For schools striving for excellence and efficiency, these older methods can be a hindrance, limiting the potential of both educators and students. Bullseye: the interactive panel, your gateway to a truly smart classroom. So, what exactly is an interactive panel? Imagine a large, high-definition touchscreen display that replaces your traditional whiteboard, projector, and computer all in one seamless unit. It's a vibrant, intuitive hub designed from the ground up for dynamic teaching and engaging learning. Here's why an interactive panel isn't just an expense, but a strategic investment for your institution. 1. Enhanced student engagement. With vibrant visuals, touch-based interaction, and multimedia support, students are more involved in lessons. Interactive content holds their attention better than traditional methods. 2. Collaborative learning environment. Students can come up to the board and solve problems, write answers, or present their ideas. This encourages participation, boosts confidence, and fosters teamwork. 3. Access to vast digital resources. Teachers can access online videos, simulations, diagrams, and quizzes instantly, enhancing the depth and variety of their lessons. 4. Time-saving and efficient. No need to write the same content repeatedly. Teachers can prepare digital lesson plans, save annotations, and even record sessions for revision. 5. Supports all types of learners. Whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learners, interactive panels support them all through dynamic media, touch, and sound. 6. Built-in educational tools. Most panels come with educational apps, split-screen options, handwriting recognition, and remote connectivity, making lessons smarter and smoother. Rocket: the future of learning is interactive. As schools and institutions look to modernize, interactive panels are a must-have investment. They don't just replace the blackboard, they redefine teaching itself, bridging the gap between teachers and digital native students. Whether it's a city school or a rural classroom, smart technology ensures equal access to quality education. Checkmark: ready to upgrade? If you're an educator, school administrator, or institution looking to transform your classrooms, it's time to explore Cyclops Interactive Panels.